finally going out. Let's go. Oh, it's a very nice weather. Sunny, a little bit cold. Sayang yung mga apple, oh. Naghuhulugan lang. Oh. There are lots more here.
And then when I speed up, I brake too late and then I crashed.
No. Daan muna tayo dito sa mailbox. Baka may ayuda. Ayuda from government. Let's see. Oh no! Only one. It's empty. Nothing. Walang ayuda. No ayuda. No ayuda from CRA. Now we're heading to Tim's for breakfast. For coffee. Ito maganda sa summer ng Canada, no? Daming different kind of flowers. Daming makikitang flowers dito sa kalsada, sa bahay, sa mga bahay. Silipin natin si Mateo. Mateo! Ang ganda talaga ng weather ngayon. Medyo mainit konti, medyo malamig konti. We're near to Stratians. Nilalakad lang namin to kasi Tim's from bahay is just ilang kilometers ba? Just walkable lang. Malapit lang talaga siya. So perfect ang weather pag ganito. Masarap ilakad. Oh, by the way, this is the school of my daughter. Huh? The school and the main street, main town is just about just there on that side. Ganito po talaga dito. Kahit walang pasok, yung mga tao na sa loob lang, kahit ang ganda ng weather, ayaw maglabasan parang mga aswang. Yeah. I don't know why they don't want to go out. The weather is very perfect. Where?
Are you showing my face on video?
Assuming why? You have a car? You have to park there. Safe summer starts with you. Yeah, right. We are now at the main street. There you go. You can see KFC. And in front of that, it's Tim's. Tim's lang ma-afford dahil mahal ang Starbucks. Finally here.
Chicken crispy or
Nagutom na din. Ay, gutom na din si Mateo. Pakarga pa ang lablab. Here's our food. Coffee. Habanero to, ate?
yeah, look. Jalapeno.
Jalapeno. Sa habanero. Where did I get habanero? It's jalapeno with coffee. Uy! Try nyo itong guys. Jalapeno sa Tim's. Masarap. Masarap siya pag mahilig ka sa spicy na. Looks like food na mga sa parang ba?
It's a jalapeno bowl.
Parang pagkain sa Dubai.
Biryani?
It's something, marshmallow-y. What you got, ate? I think this is the new, yeah? Garlic bread.
You garlic bread.
I like it also. Yung for more than 20 years of being a worker, di ba naka-maternity leave ako?
Mm-hmm.
Ngayon ko lang siya naramdaman na yung parang ang sarap ng buhay. Yung mahaba ang bakasyon.
Mm.
Tapos, kahit, at least dito sa Canada is may option kang for 1 year, diba? For 1 year na hindi magtatrabaho. But at the same time, may nare-receive na allowance from government. Compared to Dubai kasi, wala, kailangan mo talaga magtrabaho after like 2 months or 45 days.
5 days?
45. And then, wala ka ma-receive kahit isang puting dun sa government. So, ito, isa din ito na gustuhan ko sa dito sa Canada. May child benefits. May allowance pag hindi ka nagtatrabaho.
I'm so hungry, kaluoy.
Wow. So we're at home and it's time to clean. So hanggang dito na lang guys. Thank you for watching. Till next.